In the team section, you can scroll down past the team information and car information until you get to the team captain admin panel. Now, being a team captain, you can choose to pay for your entire team all at once. To do that, you click on the team payments section and select how many drivers and how many pit crew you wish to pay for. Once you've done this, you can enter your card information and the system will automatically allocate the payments to the driver and crew places ready for your team members to join or be allocated against. Now you can move payments to other team members if need be by clicking the Assign to Other Member button. Now this is particularly handy if someone has to pull out and you have to replace a driver. If you're a team member paying for yourself, find your name in the team section, click the payment button next to your name, enter your card details and get your entry paid for. To download your tax invoice, find the tax invoice button next to your name, click the button and that will produce a tax invoice for you that you can download.